Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. We'll start you out here with a live look at downtown Shreveport. As of early this morning, we do have a little bit of mist that is setting up across the region, a little bit of fog, and that will be possible, I would say, through about mid-morning. But once we start to warm up, we'll probably see some of that fog and mist go away. And it is going to be a fairly warm start to the week here. You think of rain and cloud cover in November, you'd think it would be a pretty cool day, but we're actually out ahead of a cold front today, so our temperatures will be in the 70s and low to mid 80s, so there's really not much cool air out there to speak of, not only today, but likely through much of the week here, so we're going to enjoy what will be a pretty warm pattern for us. Not too hot and not too cold. I think temperatures pretty decent here for at least the next few days, but I do have some light rain, some drizzle in the forecast through mid-morning, and we should start to see a little more sun break through once we move into the middle of the day, and you see the afternoon temperatures there settling into the 70s and 80s as well. So we have just kind of the same pattern that we had over the weekend, as we'll see some of those lightly scattered showers move up and across the region. A lot of the forecast models kind of keep this going on and off through the first half of the day, which is why I've included that chance for rain. And you can see back to the northwest here, that's our cold front, which will move in tomorrow. It's not expected to bring a lot of rain or a big cool down, but ahead of that on Tuesday, it is possible we could see maybe a few isolated showers and storms through Tuesday before start to dry out a bit through the middle of the week. But your temperatures this morning are starting out in the mid to upper 60s, so I think you can just kind of test the air before you head off to work or school or wherever you may be headed this morning and see if you need a jacket, but most locations probably not, with those temperatures expected to be in the 70s here for much of the day. You can see visibility. We do have some patchy fog that is set up in addition to some of the mist and light rain that's occurring. And look at your Robbins Toyota FUTURECAST. You can see some of those lightly scattered showers through the day. Not too concerned about any heavy rain or any kind of thunderstorm activity here on your Monday. But as we move into your Tuesday, first thing you can see the afternoon, we generally start to dry out, but we do keep that very slight chance of rain ongoing across the region. We move into your Tuesday, we'll likely start out with a lot of cloud cover, and you'll see the cold front begin to make its way through. This front not expected to bring a lot of rain, but it is possible we could see maybe an isolated thunderstorm at some point. Severe weather threat will be well to the north of the Arklatex, so we really don't expect that. And of course, the other thing we'll be bringing you updates on this week, Tropical Storm Ada, which is making its way up along the Florida coastline here, and this will be again just a weird storm to watch this week, as Ada is forecast to kind of do a little bit of a loop there in the Gulf of Mexico. And notice all week they'll be dealing with this off the coast of Florida, as may not make landfall up in the panhandle of Florida until the upcoming weekend. So they're definitely looking at a lot of rain here on Florida's west coast throughout the week here. So that will be something to watch, but again, something that's likely to stay away from us in the Arklatex just due to that cold front that we have moving in tomorrow. So look at your 7-day forecast. It shows us drying out through the middle of the week and for Veterans Day as well. We have one more cold front on the way. This will be late Friday and into the weekend, so we may see a little bit of rain develop Friday and Saturday. We'll just have to keep an eye on that Saturday forecast. The models are kind of split on how much rain we'll see, whether we'll see a decent scattering of showers and storms, or whether it will be fairly isolated like our cold front tomorrow. So there's still some uncertainty about Saturday, but it does look like there will be a little bit of rain to close out the week and begin next weekend as well.